Temperatures will remain quite cool across the Central Plains. We have some spotty severe weather concerns developing there over the next few days as well, along with pockets of locally heavy rain. Now, yesterday we were only in the 80s in Kansas City, Wichita, Oklahoma City, and Little Rock. But the farther south you get from the Arklatex south, that's where we're into the 90s and even triple digits. So San Antonio and Houston made it to 100 degrees yesterday, a few degrees above average. But where we were in the 80s, it was anywhere from 5 to almost 10 degrees below average, including Denver. Now, we picked up a trace of rain in Kansas City and Denver, but overall it was a drier day. New Orleans did see some heavier rain, 1.7 inches. This is how much rain we've had so far this August, and it really has been a fairly wet month. New Orleans now at 8.25 inches this August, more than 9 inches in Oklahoma City, and we've had some pretty decent rain in Little Rock as well, almost 6.5 inches there. So surpluses for the month where those big rain amounts have been found, but other areas are still dealing with deficits like Houston and Brownsville, about 1 inch to 1.5 inches below average for the month. But for the year, now we're sitting at 10.75 inches above average in Little Rock. We still have some drought concerns out there, and this is where we're going to be picking up most of the rain, maybe 1 inch or so through the end of the week. We also have a marginal threat of severe weather today. It does lift a little bit farther north on Thursday and then a little farther east on Friday. So all of that thunderstorm activity will be developing in the outer periphery of this big hot dome, setting up over Texas for the most part with highs in the 90s and even 100s.